Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on Indian legal system part 3rd. Question number 1. Which constitutional article defines the bar to interference by courts in disputes arising out of certain treaties, agreements, etc.? Options are A. Article 363, B. Article 370, C. Article 371, D. Article 372. Correct option is A. Article 363. Question number 2. Who is head of judiciary in the state? Options are A. Governor, B. Chief Minister, C. High Court, D. Supreme Court. Correct option is C. High Court. Question number 3. Delhi High Court was established in A. 1966, B. 1968, C. 1974, D. 1980. Correct option is A. 1966. Question number 4. Which constitutional article defines interpretation of constitutional right of Supreme Court? A. Article 163, B. Article 162, C. Article 147, D. Article 161. Correct option is C. Article 147. Question number 5. Who restored the judicial review power of judiciary under Indian Constitution? A. The Supreme Court of India, B. High Court, C. Chief Metropolitan Magistrate, D. District Court. Correct option is A. The Supreme Court of India. Question number 6. From which source India got the concept of single order of court? A. Government of India Act 1935, B. Government of India Act 1919, C. Pitt's India Act 1773, D. None of the following. Correct option is A. Government of India Act 1935. 7. Which of the following statement is not true about India's Supreme Court? A. Article 124 to 147 and Part 1st of the Indian Constitution informs about the composition and powers of the Supreme Court. B. The Supreme Court was inaugurated on January 28, 1950. C. At present, there are 35 judges in the Supreme Court. D. Judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President of India. Correct option is C. At present, there are 35 judges in the Supreme Court. 8. Which qualification is wrong for being a judge in the Supreme Court? A. It is compulsory to be a citizen of India. B. He should be a respected jurist in the eyes of Parliament. C. Must be a judge in the High Court for at least 5 years. D. He should be a lawyer in the High Court for at least 10 years. Correct option is B. He should be a respected jurist in the eyes of Parliament, which is a wrong statement. Question number 9. Which statement regarding the tenure of judges of the Supreme Court is not correct? A. Judge of the Supreme Court can remain in office till the age of 65 years. B. Judge of the Supreme Court gives his resignation letter to the Chief Justice. C. On the recommendation of Parliament, he can be removed by the President. D. Supreme Court judge can be removed only in the condition of misconduct. Correct option is B. Judge of the Supreme Court gives his resignation letter to the Chief Justice. 10. Who can remove the judge of the Supreme Court? A. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. B. Only President. C. Only Parliament. D. Both Parliament and President. Correct option is D. Both Parliament and President. Question number 11. What is the current salary of Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? A. 1.1 lakhs rupees, B. 1 lakh rupees, C. 2.8 lakh rupees, D. 1.25 lakh rupees. Correct option is C. 2.8 lakh rupees. 12. The President can declare a judge an executive Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India when A. The post of Chief Justice is vacant, B. Chief Justice is temporarily absent, C. Chief Justice is unable to discharge his obligations, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the. 13. Who among the following has the right to establish the bench of Supreme Court elsewhere in the country? A. The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. B. The President of India. C. The Parliament. D. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court has the right to allow to establish the bench of the Supreme Court elsewhere in the country with prior approval of the President. 14. Which of the following article talks about the establishment of the Supreme Court? A. Article 176, B. Article 153, C. Article 124, D. Article 324. Correct option is C. Article 124. Which of the following is not matched correctly? This is question 15. Article 145, salary of judges. B. Article 143, power of President to consult with the Supreme Court. C. Article 141, orders of the Supreme Court is applicable to all courts of India. D. Article 139, power of Supreme Court to issue writ petition. Here correct option is A. Article 145, salary of the judges. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.